Had to add a routed rebate at the bottom of the door because the casing had a metal threshold upstand and the rebate was on the inside, so it provided a draft-free barrier whilst wrapping around this upstand. This is a very expensive door and it's an extremely heavy door. These Norfolk oaks weigh 30 kilos, so very heavy, very unwieldy, and not only have you got to lift it, you've got to try not to destroy the house and banging it into walls and stuff. It really should be a two-man job, this. Finally get it in place, just to be able to check the fit in the jamb. I mean, you know, the job like this, if it was on the third floor, you just wouldn't do it. So got the door sized on width and height. It now fits in the jamb. Now the critical bit, and that is marking the hinges on the door so that they line up perfectly. So what I'm doing is making a cut on the top of the hinge, knife cut into the bottom of the hinge, marking it with a pencil because you can miss them, and then you can then take a hinge off and line it up, put the mortises, and then they will line up perfectly. So lining up the hinge now with the marks that I made earlier. Centre drilling the holes. But after a bit I realised what I'm working with, and I realised that you cannot just force a screw into hard oak like this, and you have to drill a pilot. Otherwise, in the past, you know, good quality chrome screws like that, you can snap them in the hard oak. So it's imperative that you drill a pilot hole like this. I mean, there's so many things that can go wrong with oak doors. You know, I keep going on about how expensive they are, but you've got to keep checking yourself, otherwise mistakes can be made. Now marking the once the hinge is fixed in place, you score around it with a knife. But again, with the hard oak, you have to have a very, very sharp blade. You be very, very careful. So you're scoring the lines now, so you've got something to chisel to. And when you approach the line that you've scored, the mortise will just fall away. But again, a mentally hard oak is. So routing out the mortise. Now the actual casing on this door was wider than the door itself. It was an 838 door. So I only half mortise these hinges in just to get some edge to give leverage. So this was a real slog, with it being all oak. Yeah, sorry to keep going on about it, but it was really hard work, even with this jig. And at one point, the drill shaft seized in the bearing guide.